is mindfulness practiced within Hindu traditions? Mindfulness is a foundational practice within Hinduism, a diverse religious tradition with a rich history and tapestry of practices. In Hinduism, mindfulness is known as dhyana, a Sanskrit term that refers to the state of focused concentration and awareness. The practice of dhyana is central to Hinduism and is deeply integrated into various aspects of Hindu philosophy, meditation, and everyday life. One of the primary ways mindfulness is practiced in Hindu traditions is through meditation. Meditation, known as dhyana or yoga, is a core spiritual discipline for Hindus. There are numerous meditation techniques within Hinduism, each with its own focus and approach. Some common types of meditation include mantra meditation, in which a sacred word or phrase is repeated, breath meditation, in which attention is placed on the breath, and visualization meditation, in which the practitioner focuses on a particular image or deity. Through meditation, Hindus cultivate mindfulness by calming the mind, focusing attention, and developing a heightened awareness of the present moment. Another aspect of mindfulness in Hindu traditions is the practice of yoga. Yoga, which literally means union, encompasses a range of physical, mental, and spiritual practices aimed at achieving harmony between the mind, body, and spirit. While many people primarily associate yoga with physical postures, asanas, it also involves other components such as pranayama, breath control, meditation, and ethical teachings. Through yoga, Hindus practice mindfulness by integrating physical movement, breath awareness, and focused concentration, resulting in a heightened sense of presence and inner peace. Furthermore, mindfulness is cultivated through the practice of bhakti, or devotional love. Bhakti involves the expression of deep devotion and love for a chosen deity. Hindus engage in various forms of bhakti, such as chanting mantras, singing devotional songs, bhajans, and performing rituals and ceremonies. Through bhakti, Hindus seek to connect with the divine and transcend the limitations of the ego. The process of bhakti often involves a deep immersion in the present moment, as the devotee focuses wholeheartedly on the object of their devotion. In Hindu traditions, mindfulness is also reflected in the concept of karma yoga, which emphasizes selfless action. Karma yoga is the practice of performing one's duties and responsibilities without attachment to the outcome. Hindus believe that by engaging in karma yoga, they can purify their minds, cultivate detachment, and develop a greater awareness of the interconnectedness of all beings. Through karma yoga, Hindus practice mindfulness by bringing their full attention to the present moment and performing their actions with a sense of purpose and devotion. Finally, mindfulness is also cultivated through the practice of self-inquiry, known as Atman Vichara in Advaita Vedanta. This practice involves turning the mind inward and inquiring into the nature of the self. Through self-inquiry, Hindus seek to transcend the limitations of the ego and realize the true nature of their being. The practice of self-inquiry requires intense concentration and sustained awareness of the present moment, as the practitioner seeks to penetrate the layers of the mind and discover the ultimate truth about their existence. In conclusion, mindfulness is a central aspect of Hindu traditions and is practiced through various means, including meditation, yoga, bhakti, karma yoga, and self-inquiry. Through these practices, Hindus cultivate a heightened awareness of the present moment, develop inner peace, and seek to transcend the limitations of the ego. Mindfulness in Hinduism is a transformative practice that leads to a deeper understanding of oneself, the world, and the divine.